Amazing. So as usual, guys, here as you can see, I'm investing this time $200. I'm using my strategy, and this time is going up. Yeah, 100%. This one is going up. So as usual, guys, I'm using the same strategy that I usually use on trading on IQ option. As you can see here, I'm trading on IQ option as usual, Euro USD. For example, this time I'm predicting that the market is going up, is creating here a green candle. Yeah, green candle, just as expected. Green candle, I'm making $170. So guys, if you are interested and you want to learn the strategy that I'm using here, I invite you to go to the course in the description below. So in the description there is a course where I will teach you everything I learned over the years, from the indicators I use, chart patterns, everything is explained in the course. So yeah, win $170. So I will teach you everything I learned over the years. So I invite you to go there and try to learn my strategy. Okay, let's open another trade here. This one is also going up. So what I'm expecting is that, yeah, perhaps the next three candles, this one is going up, this one is also going up, and the next one is also perhaps is going up. So we will look at what's happening here, and then what's happening with the indicators. All right, with the indicators here, and we will see. So the RSI, the temporary RSI. I'm trading on Euro USD. Sometimes I like to trade on Euro Pound, but today I'm trading on Euro USD. Okay, I have 3 seconds, and yeah, as expected, a win. Great. Let's go. Amazing, amazing. Let's try this one. Yeah, this one is going down. Yep, this beautiful one is going down. So as usual, guys, I'm using the same strategy, the same indicators, the same chart patterns, the same method, money management method. Everything is explained in the course. All right. Oh, that's okay. That's okay. Zero. That's amazing. Fortunately, I did not lose. And that's the most important thing. You should avoid losing. This one is going down. All right. You should avoid losing, but that's okay for me. Why that's okay for me? Because if I'm losing $200, I still have all this balance. All right, I still have enough profit, or enough balance to lose more than 1,000 times. So that's okay for me. I have no problem with this. I could lose this again and again and again, but fortunately I did not lose here. So this one was even. All right, so let's take a look. We still have 3 seconds, and as expected, yeah, great, $170. $170. All right, let's keep opening. Let's change. Let's put 300. Yeah, let's put 300 this time. Let's put 300. All right, I guess that here this one is 100%. So based on the indicators here, the other side, the strategy is telling me that this one is going up. All right, so that's okay. That's okay. I could lose here, but that's okay. But I guess that I'm winning. I'm winning here. I'm winning $300. I'm making at least $255, or max $255. That's 85%. 85% on binary option. That's amazing. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's open with $300 again. This time the market is going down or creating a green or a red candle. I guess that this one is going to be a red candle. I'm using here this indicators. All right. So if we take a look at this one, then this one. Yeah. Yeah. Look. This one is green. This one is red, 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 green, 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 red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red. Yeah. You can see a pattern over here. You can see a pattern from this point on. So all this, guys, is explained in the course in the description below. Everything is explained in the course. Yeah, $255. Amazing. So just as expected, I still have perhaps two positions to open. This one is going up. I clicked higher. For those who don't know, I invested $300 here. I put $300. Expiration time must be the 1 minute. I'm using the 1 minute candlestick chart or candlesticks. Yeah. Sorry. All right. Great. Amazing. We still have a few seconds. All right. Here, $300. If I'm, yeah, $255. That's 85%. So I made 85%, meaning I invested $300. I'm going to invest another $300. And this one is also going up. So we're having a straight uptrend. So this happened. This candle happened and changed everything. I was expecting a downtrend here, but this candle changed everything. All right, changed everything. Yeah, the Bollinger Bands are saying that we having, yeah, so just as expected, guys, this one is a great uptrend candle or green candle. Yeah, here the RSI is also indicating that we are having a green candle. Sorry. Amazing. $255. All right. Yeah. Again, the uptrend will continue. Invested $300 here, expecting that we have it. So this candle changed everything, but this one changed the history the last perhaps 1 hour. Yeah. Sometimes the market could be changed and flipped in the last with 1 second, so with one candlestick, sorry. So one candlestick can change everything. For example, here, this candlestick. But yeah, I should stop here. I can't predict what's happening with the market here. That's why I'm quitting here. Yeah, I should quit. So hope you understand and learn something, guys. So see you later.